Come on. Shh. Look, he's sleeping. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Who are you? What's your name?
Adri.
Adri. And your name?
Ari.
Harry. Ah, welcome to my house.
Trick or treat.
I choose the trick.
Magic potion.
Can you help me?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. A cooking. Snake.
No.
What happened? Now, can you help me?
Yes.
Bring me some snake.
Where is a snake? Nice.
I need some frog.
Ah, spider. It's not a frog. Hello. I found frog. Frog.
Oh, thank you. Next ingredients are 2 spiders.
Banana. Cucumber. Snakes. Fish. This is spider.
I need next one. Adri.
Yes, I know. Next spider. No, it's snake. Cuckoo, cuckoo. I found it. Ooh la la. Let's mix it. I help you mix it.
Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. We cook the magic. Come. Mix it. Mix. Mix it. Mix it. Now it's time for testing. I'm the first. It's so yummy. Adria. Ariana is first.
Okay.
Thank you for helping me. I have some gifts for you.
Candy.
Some candies for you. And now candies for you. The next one is clay. And now it's time to sleep.
Bye bye. Let's open a gift. What is that? I like lollipops. Lollipops, lollipops, lollipops. Let's try it. Green, yellow, red, green, yellow. Yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, green. Yeah, so many lollipops. Yeah. Strawberry, banana. Strawberry, banana, cucumber. Next one, gift. Flower. I like it. Purple flower. Yeah.